Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I came here for a walk in the park and this is what I saw. You know, I can't believe it, my eyes, they actually done it a sailboat, or it's made like that, or it's supposed to be art, or whatever it is. I have no idea. But again, it's this modern thing next to this old castle. And apparently in this park they're supposed to have some art pieces, but maybe that sailboat belongs to the art part, I have no idea. So let me make my way actually into the park and take a look. In this country you only see art that makes no sense, or war memorabilia, or tanks or something like that, or cannons, and that's it. Let's go look. So apparently guys, in this park they have a whole bunch of art, or what they call art. I don't know who the artists are, no idea. Probably says, look at that. Is the chair also part of the art? I have no idea. But like I said, in this country you either find art everywhere or war memorabilia, like tanks and cannons, and as you've seen in my previous videos, look at everywhere. There, way back there. I don't know if the government actually commissions it to the artist, or is it that the artists just make it and they can't get rid of it, they can't sell it, and then they donate to the park? I have no idea. But there's lots of it here. Oh, a couple silver chairs. That's not it. obviously, guys, the chairs belong to the art because I thought there was just one random chair, but they're all over the place. Weird stuff. Okay, let's keep on going. There is our boat art from another direction. Look at this, guys. Yeah, guys, it's a weird park, I have to say. They either ruined a perfectly fine sailboat to make that piece of art, or they created it from scratch. And honestly, it must have cost a lot of money to make it like that, because, oh God, look at all the stuff here. Canada geese again. And more art.
Daarop kunnen we eventueel 4. Dat is gewoon gemakkelijk. Dat op een karton, dan is het gewoon up. Dan zie je het ook niet. En dan doen we dat ingaan. Doen we hier laten ingaan.
Oh boy. Guys, you're not gonna believe me if I tell you that this is supposed to be art too. This thing. A cement wall or two cement walls that come together in one point. If you don't believe me, take a look. Here is the artist. There you go. That's his art. Wow. Look at this, guys. Another castle in this park. And as always, the horse stables. Look at that. Take a look, guys. I'm still in the same park. It's huge. And in the same park, look at this, they have bunkers from the war. Look at this is a guardhouse. Look at those bunkers, half underground. Look at. All this stuff is still left over from the from the war. And this is still the same park. And across the road there too, take a look. I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but look at this, guys. And you have seen my previous videos about bunkers, so I'm not gonna bother to look for an entrance or anything like that. So there we go, guys. I think this is the end of my walk in the park. Because to be honest, I'm getting tired already. And this park was more about art, if you can call it that, and unusual things. Definitely. Like a bend over a sailboat, you know. That's kind of unusual, if you're asking me. So this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers, and I see you next time. Bye, guys.
close to the sun.